What on earth do we have here?
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to DriveHub, and today it's a very special day. So as you'll know, it's almost Father's Day, and my dad is the one who pretty much got me into Corvettes by giving me rides in his 1984 C4 Corvette that he's had since he was 18. So that pretty much planted the love for Corvettes in my head at a young age. Now, my dad is definitely not one to mod his cars. I'm pretty sure the C4 is actually riding on the same tires it had when it came from the dealership in 1984, and that's not even a mod. He loves his Corvette as it is, but this beautiful Monterey Red would look a little bit better with some chrome wheels. Now, he likes the style of wheels that are on it, the factory 5-spoke C6 wheels, so my brother and I found a pair of second-hand C6 wheels just like this, except they're chrome. And we weren't just going to put the mismatched front and rear tires that were on the Corvette when he bought it, and he didn't like that the front and rears weren't from the same company. So to take care of that, my buddies up at First Choice Tires in Manchester, New Hampshire absolutely hooked me up. They got me a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, front and rear. The fronts that I have here now, they're factory width. With the rears, there was a nationwide back order, and they still aren't making any of the factory rear width, so we went one size up. We're going with a 295 in the back. There's nothing wrong with a little more rubber, and it's gonna look cooler. So now his Vet is gonna have some nice chrome wheels and some of the best rubber touching the road. So right now we're gonna load all 4 wheels that I have into my brother's Jeep. My Jeep's not big enough to hold it, and the 2 front tires that I was able to get. Both the rears are up at First Choice Tires already, so we're gonna head up there, drop off the wheels and tires, come back, grab the C6, and head on up. Alright guys, so the tires are dropped off. Now we're gonna head back, pick up the C6, head back up, and watch these things get mounted. Guy looks awfully familiar.
Welcome to First Choice Tires, guys. Located right here by South Willow, 140 March Avenue, right across from Home Depot. We are probably one of the biggest displays of wheels here in New Hampshire. Come around the shop, 140 March Ave, open every weekday from 8 to 6. Come look at some rims. We also do air suspensions. We also do coilovers. We also do brakes. Stop by the shop and, check it out. Let's get this done.
Alright guys, well, we are finally back at the house with the C6 Corvette convertible. Man, oh man, do these wheels look amazing on this car. The chrome finish on the wheels looks absolutely beautiful with the Monterey Red paint job. It looks absolutely fantastic. I am in love with the new look of the car, and even though it's the same wheel style, the chrome just adds so much pop to the paint It sparkles, it glistens, it looks amazing. And a massive shout out to First Choice Tires for absolutely hooking it up today. They are so friendly, and the best thing about them is they're actually car people. They're not just salesmen. As I said, they've got a shop in Nashua, they've got a shop in Manchester, Revere, Mass, Milford, New Hampshire, and then another Mass location that I'm drawing a blank right now. But I'll put all of their info down in the description below. If you guys are from the New England area, you need tires, you need wheels, I'll be sure to include all of First Choice Tires' Facebook and Instagram, all their social media handles, their phone number for all their locations, and their website. Basically any information you guys need to get in contact with these guys and hook up your ride with either wheels or tires. Be sure to hit up First Choice Tires. Tell them Jake from DriveHub sent you. These guys did a phenomenal job on my dad's C6 Corvette. But that's it for me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy motoring. I wonder what's gonna happen to the old C6 wheels. Still got good rubber on them. Guess we'll find out.